Foot problems are a common issue for seniors, affecting their mobility and quality of life. In fact, over 1/3 of people over 65 experience foot pain. One proven solution to this problem is orthotics. Orthotics are specialized devices that support and align the foot, improving function and relieving pain. They can be custom made or purchased over the counter in standard sizes. Custom orthotics are designed to fit the unique shape and needs of your feet, providing more precise support. Over-the-counter orthotics are more general, but can still offer significant relief for common foot issues. Orthotics can help with conditions like plantar fasciitis, arthritis, and diabetes-related foot problems by correcting abnormal walking patterns, relieving pressure, and improving overall foot function. The cost of orthotics varies depending on whether they're custom-made or over-the-counter. Over-the-counter orthotics typically range from $20 to $100, while custom orthotics can cost between $200 to $800 or more. The higher cost of custom orthotics reflects the detailed process involved in creating them, including an evaluation by a healthcare provider and precise measurements of your feet. Medicare Part B includes coverage for orthotics as durable medical equipment. For Medicare to cover your orthotics, they must be deemed medically necessary by a podiatrist and prescribed for the treatment of a specific medical condition. You'll need a prescription outlining the medical necessity of the orthotics and how they will help manage your condition. It's also necessary to obtain your orthotics from a Medicare-approved supplier who accepts assignment to ensure coverage. When it comes to costs, Medicare Part B covers 80% of the approved amount for the custom orthotics. You'll be responsible for the remaining 20%, along with any applicable Part B deductible. For example, if your custom orthotics cost $500, Medicare would cover $400, and you would pay the remaining $100 plus any deductible. For more information about Medicare, please speak with a Senior Healthcare Solutions Medicare expert today at 866-633-4427. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Medicare videos.